In this video, I'll show you how to fix the resolution in the virtual machines once you install them in VirtualBox. So as you know, the first thing we're gonna do is install VirtualBox Windows. Once we have that, this is the resolution we're gonna get. So we want this to display full screen. So what we're going to do is go to Devices at the top and then click Insert Guest Additional CD Image. Once you do that, we're gonna go to our virtual machine and we're gonna find the D folder, and it says CD drive VirtualBox guest additions. So if you remember, it says here guest additions. We're gonna click that, and then here we're gonna find our operating system. In this case, it's gonna be Windows. So it's just this one. Double click and then we wait for a few seconds. Once we have that, we're gonna click yes. It's gonna open this window. Next, install, and then we wait another few seconds. So just installing the additions we need. It's gonna ask us to reboot the machine. We're gonna say yes and finish. It's going to reboot the machine. Once it comes back, the machine is gonna look the same, so we're gonna have to do some changes to make it look how we want. So let's wait while the machine reboots. Takes a couple seconds. Okay, once our machine reboots, so let's log in. So once we're in, we're gonna go click view and then full screen mode, and then here it is, full screen mode. It takes a second, as you saw. It lags for a little bit, but this is our virtual machine. If you see, this is the menu. And then if we want to exit our virtual machine, let me check. Okay, so to exit full screen in VirtualBox, we're just gonna press Control F. It's like host key plus F. It's like right control, not left control. Right control F, and then it's gonna exit. If we want like full screen again, just go on full screen mode, and there is like our own computer. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this was really useful for you, and you could fix your screen. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.